Hey there, financial leaders. Today I'm diving into something every CFO needs to master: managing creditors. It's not just about paying bills, it's about strategic financial leadership. So, let's break it down. First off, communication is key. When facing financial difficulties, always keep the lines open with your creditors. Ignoring them? That's a one-way ticket to debt collection agencies and legal headaches. Instead, respond promptly to their inquiries, be transparent about your company's financial health, and build a professional rapport. Even when things get tough, let them know about any positive developments, like a bump in sales or new capital. Trust me, this transparency can go a long way. Now let's talk about prioritizing government debt. Outstanding taxes are a beast you don't want to mess with. Non-payment can lead to your bank accounts being seized, wages garnished, or worse. Proactive communication with tax authorities is essential. Negotiate payment plans that align with your company's cash flow, and if needed, consider short-term loans from stakeholders to meet those obligations. It's a high-stakes game, so play it smart. Litigation? Oh boy, it's costly, it's time-consuming, and it's something you want to avoid like the plague. Aim for early settlements to sidestep court. But if litigation is unavoidable, engage experienced legal counsel to navigate the choppy waters. And don't forget to financially plan for potential payouts from settlements or judgments. It's all about minimizing the impact on your bottom line. Alright, let's zoom out to the big picture. Effective creditor management is crucial for financial leadership. It's not just about juggling payments. It's a blend of strategic communication, negotiation, and proactive financial planning. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice from financial advisors or legal experts, and remember, involve other executives in the process. Managing creditors takes time and resources from across your organization. So, there you have it. A crash course in taming creditors like a pro. Keep those communication lines open, prioritize your government debts, navigate litigation wisely, and always think strategically. Your role as a financial leader is more than just crunching numbers. It's about steering your company through financial challenges with finesse. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial insights. Until next time, stay savvy.